Welcome back to the lesson Network Security. In this video, we will learn about what is computer virus, hackers, and other types of malicious softwares like spyware, worms, Trojan horse, and how to protect our computer against viruses.
Computer virus. What is a computer virus? You must have heard of the term virus earlier. Many of you have even had an attack of viral fever, which may have left you weak. Just like biological viruses attack our bodies, computer viruses attack a computer system. A virus is a computer program that enters the computer system by attaching itself to another computer program and spreads itself across the system. Now, what does a computer virus do? The virus tries to take control of the computer system it has infected. At the first opportunity available, it makes copies of itself and also tries to carry out the harmful tasks written in its program. This process can happen so quickly that the user is not even aware of the presence of a virus in his or her system or the fact that anything unwanted has occurred. Viruses also stay on the lookout for any new files or any new USB pen drives that are inserted into the system. They attach copies of themselves to these new files or USB pen drives. A computer virus is capable of performing these tasks. It can infect program files such as word processors, spreadsheets, and the operating system. It can infect a disk by attaching itself to special programs in the hard disk called boot records. Boot records are programs the computer uses to start up. It can infect a file before it is attached to an email message or transferred to a disk and thus spread from one computer to another. Computer viruses are created by programmers. That means computer experts who use personal computers and modems to break into and tamper with computer systems are known as hackers. Hackers are computer enthusiasts who use their programming skills to break into secure systems to gain knowledge about them.
Ethical hacking. Ethical hacking involves an authorized attempt to gain unauthorized access to a computer system, application, or data. Carrying out an ethical hack involves duplicating strategies and actions of malicious attackers, also known as white hats. Ethical hackers are security experts that perform these assessments. Today, we can find certified ethical hackers working with some of the finest and largest companies across industries like healthcare, financial, government, energy, and much more. Denial of service attack. Denial of service attack is a cyber attack in which hackers or cyber criminals seek to make a host machine, online service, or network resource unavailable to its intended users by temporarily or indefinitely disrupting services of a host connected to the internet.
Malware is used as a single term to refer to virus, spyware, worm, Trojan horse, etc. Malware is designed to cause damage to computers. So, whenever the term malware is used, it means a program which is designed to damage your computer. It may be a virus, a worm, Trojan, or spyware. Spyware is a type of software program that is installed with or without your permission on your personal computers to collect information about the activities on the computer or browsing habits, tracks each and everything that you do without your knowledge. This could include getting information about credit card numbers and passwords as they are typed. This information can then be used to cause further harm. It also can download other malicious programs from internet and install it on the computer. Worms. A worm is a program that occupies vacant computer memory and it has the ability to self-replicate and can lead to negative effects on your system. Trojans or Trojan horses. Another malicious program are Trojans or Trojan horses. which unlike viruses, it do not reproduce by infecting other files, nor do they self-replicate like worms. Trojan horses are programs that seem to be useful, but they are having malicious code hidden in them. How to protect your computer against viruses? To protect your system against viruses, you have to follow these simple steps. Install a good antivirus software on your computer. Update the antivirus regularly. Avoid downloading programs from unknown sites. Always scan your CDs, flash drives, pen drives before using them. Do not use pirated software. Antivirus software is a utility program which safeguards your computer system from virus attack. Some popular antivirus softwares are Dr. Solomons Antivirus, Norton Antivirus, McAfee Security, QuickHeal Antivirus, Avast Pro Antivirus, Kaspersky Antivirus, etc.